Hi ladies, I am so excited to share with you the Power Hour training. This is something that a lot of people do in other businesses that really has effectively changed how they run their business and has brought a lot more business to them. I do a lot of research on YouTube and I've watched it. I've actually done it in other businesses that I've had. It's just something that you need to actively do every day. If you want to run your business like a business, this is something that will help you do that. So, first thing that you're going to want to do is, I'm going to share my screen. You're going to want to get what they call the Kill My Newsfeed, because if you look here, the news feed doesn't show up when I go to my Facebook because I have an extension that you can see right here, Kill Newsfeed, so that you're not distracted while you're trying to work. So I can turn the newsfeed killer off and it will go back to normal Facebook if I feel like playing around on Facebook. But for now, while I work, I don't have it up here. So what you're going to want to do to get that is literally just go to Google and type in news feed, kill me news feed. Kill my news feed. And then the kill news feed comes up and then you just add that extension to Chrome. So since I've already done that, it's already there, good to go. And then you're going to have to like activate it and everything. But so we're going to go to Facebook. The first thing we want to do is to go to our friends list. So I'm going to click on myself. I'm going to click on friends. And you're going to scroll down to the people that you haven't interacted with in a really long time. It's going to take you a little bit to get down there probably if you're on Facebook a lot. But you're going to go down and you're going to make a list. I'm going to go full screen mode real quick. You're going to make a list top to bottom on a piece of notebook paper. Keep a nice notebook so that you want to go to it. Dream big. This is going to have a lot of names in it when I'm done with it. But, so you're going to make a list top to bottom. What you're going to do with that list, you're not prejudging anyone. The only thing you're going to want to do is write down female names. So once you have that list made up, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to each person's Facebook. So say I wanted to use Kelly Hester as an example. She's done a nail bar with me already. You're going to say she's the first one on your list. You're going to click on, or you're going to go onto her Facebook. And it's just easier to just have that list and just type each person's name. So she was having some fun the other night. You're just going to like, and then comment on something. Come visit us. Oh yeah, that's right. I commented on that the other day. But anyway, so like, comment. As easy as that. And then you're going to do that with everyone on that list. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the people you may know. Let me show you how to get there as well. You're going to go to your Facebook, friends, Too Funny. I just like commented on her stuff. She just came up. So people are interacting. That's what you want. Go to the people you may know or one of your friends' friends. So these are the people that you're going to want to look at, okay? You're going to want to just go ahead and add, and I've done this a bunch of times, the people that you have a lot of friends in common with that aren't friends with another stylist. Even if they are friends with another stylist, it's no big deal. But This girl, I'm not even sure who she is, but she has a lot of friends in common. She's 27 friends in common, so I'm going to go ahead and add her and then get to know her. Same thing here. She's from my town, it looks like. Some of these people that she's friends with are from West Milford, so she'd be a good one to add. So that's really what you're going to do. You're just going to spend some time doing that. Add a bunch of people, okay? You're not going to write anything down with this because it's really just adding those people. Then when they add you back, this is what you do. So you go into your friends, and it's funny, I'm just adding these people mindlessly, and then they add you back. See? She added me. I added her earlier today. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to her Facebook. Did I show you how I got there? Hang on. Let me just show you real quick. Friends, recently added, it's up on the top here. Okay? These are the people that have added me in the past couple days, or added me back. So again, I'm going to go to her Facebook. I'm going to check out what she's been doing. An hour ago, she posted something funny. I'm going to go ahead and give it a laugh. So like, comment. Let's see. They went to the park. I'm going to say, how cute. Okay, that's it. Like, comment. Do that with the people that have added you back. While you're doing that, you're also going to be taking a pen and paper and you're going to write down the people that are adding you back so that you can keep track of down the line. Let me explain this to you looking right in your face. Okay, so down the line, what you're going to want to do is in like a week, you're going to go back to the people that you added that added you back, and you're going to add them to your VIP group. Why do I say that you're going to want to do that in a week and not right away? Because I personally hate when people do that to me. They add me, I add them back, and then 2 seconds later, I see VIP group for some business that they're doing. It's not personal then. They didn't take time to connect with me. They didn't take time to get to know me before they added me to their stinking group. We are direct sales people. We understand how it feels, and like, you feel so salesy, but you don't have to feel that way because you're actually actively getting to know them. You're looking at their stuff, you're giggling a little bit, you're enjoying their Facebook feed and getting to know them before you're adding them to your group. But you do have to keep track of it so that you know to add them in like a week or two. So, that's why you're going to keep a recently added section in your notebook, and then you're gonna, as you add them to the VIP group or invite them, you're gonna check them off. Okay, so the next thing that you're gonna do is go into your Color Street. Let's see. Go into, I'm gonna try and do this without you seeing everything. Haha, I signed in, okay? And I'm hiding everything from you. So you're going to go into orders. Might not let me do that. Dang it. Oh well, whatever. Here I am. You're going to go into customer orders. And you're going to go back to the beginning of time. Really, you're going to keep going back. It might take a while, but you're really, you want to go back to like when you started and when people were buying. You want to take those names and see if you can find them in Facebook. This wasn't that long ago, but You're going to take that name and you're going to go like that, copy paste, and then you're going to go into her Facebook and pop a message to her and just say, when was the last? Let's see. I just want to let you know I'm running a special. Oh yeah, I told her about a special that I was running. You're just going to want to follow up with her and see how she's doing. Just interact, because then she's going to remember, oh yeah, remember those nail strips? That's it. Really, like, you just want to interact with people. So, you're going to spend some time doing that. Imagine doing this all day. I'm sorry, not all day. Imagine doing this for an hour a day. How many people that you can interact with, and how many people that are like new eyes going to be on your stuff, because when you are actively interacting with people, you're going to see new people popping in and seeing your stuff because you're interacting with new people. So they're going to see your face on, like, a new face commenting on your friend's stuff. And they're going to be like, who is this girl that's just started commenting on my friend's stuff? And they're going to click on you, and hopefully you have nails and stuff on your Facebook, and your face is your profile picture, and they're going to try and get to know you, and then you're going to have another. Boom. But really, it's just very important to always be interacting with a lot of people. I know some people get relaxed with it, but you really have to do it every day. And also, you want to make sure that you are definitely have to have your face as your profile picture. If you have your dog as your profile picture, when you're adding people to Facebook, they're gonna click on your profile and they're gonna be like, who is this? Like, I have no idea who she is, and they're gonna have to actively look in your profile to find you, and they're probably not gonna want to do that at all. So they might just say forget it and just not friend you. So I'm just telling you, if you have your dog or you have Color Street, that's another thing. Don't have Color Street as your profile picture, because that's not gonna get you more business. I know that's a tough one to swallow because a lot of people have that, but that's not gonna get you business. People don't want to see, like, when I see like It Works or whatever as their profile thing, it doesn't help. So be personal with people. Like, get to know them and share your life with them and have them share back, and that's how you get the business. You have to really want to connect with people. So really, that's it. You're doing a lot of messages out, and you're not messaging back like right away. So what happens is you're going to send a lot of messages. You're going to get a lot of messages back during your power hour. Don't touch those messages until you're done, so that you can get everything done that you need to get done. That's it. I hope that this has helped you, and I hope that the objection of not having enough time in the day is really easy to explain to people, that you really can do this with only an hour a day. That's really why I wanted to do this training for y'all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.